Hello everybody, welcome on in. Join me in today's video as we're going to be putting together a new desk for my office space. This is the SEDETA Executive Desk, a 55-inch white theme setup with built-in outlets and storage drawers. It's designed as an all-in-one workspace solution for productivity or work-from-home setups. As part of our Amazon Find series, we try out products and review how they hold up, so in this video, we'll go through the full build process and I'll share my impressions firsthand to see if this desk is actually worth it or not. Since I am on a budget, I didn't want something that was too expensive, but it still had to be fully functional and matching my aesthetic. I saw this listing for this desk on Amazon for $150 and the picture catalog made it look extremely clean, so I had to look more into it. The reviews from shoppers were highly positive as well, so you know what? Why not? I'll get one. Thanks to Prime Delivery, I was able to get it within a day's time, which is one of the best perks about Prime shipping, even if it's a large package like this one. The only problem here is that it's a completely DIY assembly, so expect to spend a part of your day during this process. But it's here in one piece, so this desk isn't going to build itself, so let's put it together. Assembly is honestly not that bad. I see a lot of people complaining about this process in the reviews, but if you just follow the instructions, it's completely straightforward. Just put on some music, a stream, or podcast in the background, and you'll get it done in no time. Alright, now with that completed, we deserve a nice lunch break. So how about we make some tacos? Out of all the choices, I would say carne asada is my favorite. If you're a taco lover, what is your go-to choice of meat? Okay, let's get back to the desk. With everything now set up, let us talk first impressions. I mainly wanted this desk because of the white theme, and just like the listing, it really lives up to the pictures. It's clean, minimal, and fits right into my environment seamlessly. The matte finish helps reduce reflections, and the beveled edges gives it that modern touch. You've got 3 drawers on the right for plenty of space for gear, documents, and random storage. They open smoothly and feel stable, and it's definitely convenient to have for a desk. The main selling point for me though is this built-in AC outlet. It has 4 connectors and 2 USB ports. This is very innovative to have readily available for all your connectivity needs since it cuts down on the cable clutter. As for the setup itself, I'm just gonna keep it pretty simple. Starting with a laptop as a main workstation, I've got it docked off to the side to free up central space, and I'm pairing it with an external keyboard and mouse for more comfortable use throughout the day. I also added a mic and audio interface and some studio tools I use for voiceovers and video calls. There's even enough room left over for other everyday essentials if necessary. And of course, cable management is a lot easier with this built-in power strip. I've got my chargers, mic, and light all plugged in together, keeping it clean and out of the way. Okay, now let's get into the pros and cons, because while this desk does a lot right, there are still a few things that you'll definitely want to consider. Starting with the size, the 55-inch length is solid. You've got enough room for a monitor, laptop, and other accessories, but the width, it's very tight. It barely reaches 22 inches deep, so when I stretch my arms out, I can easily touch the back of the desk. That means that once you add a monitor or two, you're quickly losing usable surface space. Height is another issue for me. The leg clearance is only about 25 inches, so to fit under, I have to lower my chair to the lowest settings and make sure my armrests are low enough to fit under. If your chair doesn't have any armrests, it won't be a problem. Only one of my chairs couldn't fit through. At least there's enough space to stretch your legs underneath once you are seated, but it's definitely not designed for all chair types. On the plus side, the storage is excellent. The drawers and cabinets are spacious, and having everything within reach makes organizing gear and paperwork super easy. That's a huge plus for creators or remote workers who spend a lot of time at their desks. The built-in AC outlet is a smart feature, but its placement is odd. It takes up a good chunk of the corner, and it doesn't come with any sort of cover, which makes it kinda risky. If you're like me and tend to have coffee or water near your setup, a spill could turn it into a disaster. I love the functionality, but a bit more thought on the placement and protection would have gone a long way. Once it is fully assembled, it's solid. There's no wobble or shaking when typing or moving gear around, which is a big deal in this price range. As for the price, this is available on Amazon for $150, which to me is quite fair. You're not getting premium materials, but you are getting a fully functional, stylish desk that does everything it's supposed to do. It offers a good mix of design, features, and build quality for this price point. So overall, is the SEDETA Executive Desk worth it? If you are on a budget and want a clean, functional setup with built-in storage and power, then I would say yes. Just keep in mind the trade-offs. The shallow depth and low height might not work for everyone, especially if you're using larger chairs or multi-monitor setups. Let me know what you guys think about this desk, or if you already have one. If so, how is it? If you are considering this desk or want to check it out for yourself, then I'll have a link to it in the video's description. SEDETA is actually a massive desk company, and they have a lot of other options available that might be worth looking into if this desk isn't to your liking. But with that being said, that will conclude my review of the SEDETA Executive Desk. If you found this review helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. That's it for now, and until next time, take care.